In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this JAMB commerce problems under elements of business management. So we are going to focus on the subtopic meaning and types. And we have 5 repeated questions to practice with for this video. Let's get started. First question I have here says management is described as we have the people in authority in an organization, implementation and business decision, getting things done through people, the number of levels in an organization. So the right answer to this question is option D, which is the number of so the right answer to this question is option C, which is getting things done through people. Very, very important, guys. So that's it for this question. Next question will be this one. It says management of a business involves the development of ideas for the option A, transportation of goods and services that humans want, transfer of title ownership of goods and services to individuals, distribution of goods and services that human wants, production of goods and services that satisfy human needs. So the right answer to this question is it involves the production of goods and services that satisfy human needs. Okay, very important. Next question is this one. It says which subject are you being tested on? So it's commerce, option C. Next question. Management of a business involves the development of ideas of the this is a repeated question. So the right answer is production of goods and services that satisfy human needs. Okay, option D. Next question. Management of a business involves the same thing. The right answer is production of goods and services that satisfy human needs. So guys, this basically can do problems involving meaning and types of elements in business management. We practice with 5 questions for this subtopic. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the membership by clicking on join button so you're getting premium information. I help you to sell your exams like your JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. If you haven't done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.